The foundations AI, ML, and DL. Peeling back the layers. Alright, we have talked about what generative AI is, but how does it work? To understand that, we need to quickly look at its family tree. You will hear the terms artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning thrown around a lot. They might sound complicated, but the best way to think about them is like a set of maps for a treasure hunt, with each map getting more detailed and leading you closer to the prize. The world map artificial intelligence AI. The first biggest map is artificial intelligence AI. This is like a map of whole world. It represents the big overarching dream that started it all, making machines smart. Anytime a machine does something we would normally consider intelligent, like understanding language, recognizing a face, or playing a game, that's AI. It's the entire globe of smart machines. The country map machine learning ML. Now let's zoom in on our world map. Inside one continent, we find our next map, a detailed map of a single country called machine learning ML. This is a specific way to achieve AI. Instead of programming a machine with a giant list of rules for every road, we do something much clearer. We show it a ton of pictures of the destination and let it to learn the routes for itself. This is how a spam filter learns what junk mail looks like. By seeing millions of examples, machine learning is about learning from data to navigate the world. The city map deep learning. And now for the real treasure map. Inside our country, we zoomed into a single city. This highly detailed city map is deep learning. This is a special superpowered type of machine learning. It uses complex structures called neural networks, which are loosely inspired by the connections in the human brain. These networks have many layers. That's where the deep comes from. This deep allows them to learn every street, alley, and secret shortcuts. It's what allows them to understand incredibly complex patterns like the nuance of human language or the essence of an artistic style. All the amazing generative AI tools we will use are powered by deep learning. It's the X that marks the spot. From world map to buried treasure. So there you have it. AI is the world map, the big dream. Machine learning is the country map, a way to achieve that dream by learning from data. And deep learning is the detailed city map with the X on it, the powerful engine that uncovers the treasure of generative AI. Now that we understand the foundations, let's talk about the revolution this engine has started.